Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you instant transfer money from Cash App to Venmo. So to instant transfer money from Cash App to Venmo, you need to follow these steps. Now to be honest, you cannot directly transfer money from Cash App to Venmo as they are separate platform. However, you could transfer money between the two using your bank account as an intermediary, and then you could go ahead and link the same bank account either to Cash App or Venmo. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to link the same bank account to my Cash App, and after which from the funds, I'm going to transfer the funds from my Cash App to bank account. All right. So when I've already transferred the funds from my Cash App, now it's going to be loaded in the bank, right? So what next I'm going to do is launch open my Venmo and click on the Me button. After which I'm going to add the same bank account to my Venmo. So simply click on add bank or card. As you do it, so click on the card button if you want to do it so, or maybe add a bank and enter in your routing number, details, all sort of things, and confirm it. And once you've added the bank account, now then from the bank you can transfer the funds to Venmo. So this is an alternative way you could transfer money between Cash App and Venmo. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.